Welcome to this meditation for energy and vitality. Throughout our days, our energy levels shift. We may feel vibrant and strong in one moment and tired or drained in another. This meditation is designed to help you restore your natural energy, awaken your body, and bring fresh focus to your mind. As you settle in, find a comfortable position, either seated or lying down. Allow your hands to rest comfortably, palms facing upward in a gesture of openness. This is your time to recharge. Tuning into your body is a powerful way to understand your energetic state. Take a moment to pause, breathe deeply, and bring your awareness inward. Notice any areas that feel light and vibrant, as well as those that may feel tense, sluggish, or depleted. Your body is always communicating with you through sensations, warmth, coolness, or even subtle pulses of energy. By listening without judgment, you can recognize what your body needs, whether it's rest, movement, nourishment, or simply a moment of stillness. As you tune in, allow yourself to honor and respond to your energy with kindness and intention. Take a deep inhale through your nose, filling your lungs completely, and slowly exhale through your mouth. Again, inhale deeply, drawing in fresh, revitalizing energy, and exhale, letting go of anything weighing you down. With each inhale, imagine energy flowing into your body, filling every cell with renewed strength. With each exhale, release any heaviness, stress, or fatigue. Breathe in. Feel energy awakening within you. Breathe out, releasing all that no longer serves you. Continue this rhythm for a few moments, feeling yourself becoming lighter, stronger, more alive. Feel this energy moving into your legs, awakening your muscles. Up into your torso, fueling your strength. Through your arms, filling them with lightness and ease. Now picture this energy gathering in your core, the center of your strength. It radiates outward, fueling your motivation, your focus, and your ability to take on the day with confidence. Let yourself absorb this energy fully. It is yours. It is always available to you. Now, let's invite affirmations into this space. Repeat each affirmation silently or aloud, letting the words settle into your mind and body. Every breath I take fills me with strength. I welcome vitality into my body. Energy flows freely through me. I wake up each day feeling refreshed and ready. I am recharged, renewed, and strong. As we begin to close this meditation, take a moment to check in with yourself. Notice the shift within. Your body feels awake, your mind clear, your energy restored. Take a deep inhale and exhale, feeling refreshed. Gently wiggle your fingers and toes, bringing awareness back to the present. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes, bringing this renewed energy with you into the rest of your day. You are vibrant, energized, and full of life.